You've done this. Someone starts a sentence, and you finish it before they do. You hear the first 3 notes of a song you haven't heard in years, and your mouth already knows what comes next. You're not thinking, you're predicting. This is the oldest trick your mind knows, and it is the only trick ChatGPT knows too. When you ask an AI a question, it isn't thinking about your question. It isn't understanding it. It is doing one thing, over and over, billions of times per second, guessing the next word. That is the whole magic. The model looks at every word so far and asks, what comes next? Then it picks the most likely word, and the next, and the next, like a storyteller walking forward in the dark, one step at a time. This feels new. It feels alien. It feels like the future. It isn't. This idea is over 10,000 years old. Before writing existed, people memorized everything. Epics, histories, laws, genealogies, stretching back centuries. No paper, no notes, just voice and memory. And the trick they used, to remember it all, was prediction. They built stories to be predictable. Rhyme, rhythm, repetition, familiar phrases that hooked into each other. If you knew the first half of a line, the second half was almost forced into your mouth. The Iliad and the Odyssey, 28,000 lines, were remembered this way for centuries. Aboriginal Australian songlines mapped entire continents from memory. West African griots kept generations of family history alive, one predictable line at a time. Every oral tradition on Earth used the same engine. Predict the next word. Predict the next word. Your brain still does it. Every time someone speaks to you, you are already guessing what they will say next. You are so good at it that you don't even notice. Then we built a machine. We trained it on the entire written history of human language. Every book, every essay, every conversation we ever wrote down. And we asked it to do exactly what your ancestors did around a fire 10,000 years ago. Guess the next word, then the next, then the next. ChatGPT does not understand you. It is reciting an oral tradition, one trained on the largest body of human speech ever assembled. The newest thing in the world is the oldest thing your species knows how to do.